Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Essential English by Rakesh Roy. The classes that are really essential for the English learners and competitive examinations. Here I am again with another video for you all. Today we are going to revise all the words that I have discussed in my previous sessions. If you haven't watched my previous sessions and want to learn the words with explanation, I would suggest you to watch them first. You all will get the links of those sessions in the description of this video. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So today we are going to deal with many words. Here you can see I have parted this page into 3 columns: root, meaning and example. So the first root word is ego, which means self or I. And the words that are built on this root word are egoist and egotist. If you remember the meaning, the egoist means you always look for self-advancement. And egotist means a person who loves to talk about himself, who loves to talk about his accomplishments, about his abilities and all. The next root word is alter, which means other. So the words that are built upon this root word are alternative, alteration, altercation, and alter ego. So alternative means the other choice. Alteration means it's a noun form of alter, which means a change. Altercation means heated quarrel, or you can say a verbal fight. Alter ego means mirror image. So if you have any alter ego, both of you have the same tastes, both of you think similarly, both of you react similarly and all. So the next root word is verto, which means turn. So the words that can be built on this root word are introvert, extrovert and ambivert. If you are an introvert, your thoughts are turned inwards. You are a reserved person. If you are an extrovert, your thoughts are turned outwards, means you are a very outspoken person. And if you are an ambivert, your thoughts are turned in both the directions in the same way. Means it depends upon your mood, when you will be introvert and when you will be extrovert. So our next root word is ambos, which means both. So the words that can be built upon this root word are ambivert, ambidextrous. Ambivert means I have already told, if you are an ambivert, your thoughts are turned in both the directions. If you are an ambidextrous, means you have the ability to use both your hands in the similar way. The next root word is Mischian, which means to hate. And the words that can be built are misogynist, misogynist and misanthropist. So misogynist, you can see in this word there are 2 root words. One is Mischian, another one is Gain. When you pronounce this root word in a separate way, you pronounce it Gain. But when it is used in a word, the pronunciation changes to Jin. So misogynist means hater of women. Misogynist means hater of marriage. Misanthropist means hater of anthropos. Anthropos means mankind. So that means misanthropist means hater of mankind. So our next root word is anthropos, which means mankind. So the general word is misanthropist. The other words that we can build are anthropology, means logos. Here you can see the root word logos. Logos means science or study. So the meaning of anthropology is the science or study of the development of mankind. The next word is philanthropist. Philian means to love and anthropos means mankind. So philanthropist means lover of mankind. Or you can say altruist is the synonym for this word. Our next root word is gain, which means woman. So the words that we can make out of this root word are misogynist, means hater of women. Philogynist means lover of women. Or if you are a philogynist, means you are fond of women. The next word is polygynist. Poly means many and gyn means woman. So if you are a polygynist, you have many wives. And the next word is gynecologist, means a medical specialist who treats female disorder. Okay. So our next root word is gamos, which means marriage. So let's see what are the words we can make. Misogynist means hater of marriage. The next word is monogamy, means the practice of being married to one. Bigamy, remember, not bigamy, bigamy. So bigamy means the practice of being married to two. And the next word is polygamy, means the practice of being married to many. Our next root word is ascetes, which means monk. So the word that we can make is ascetic. Ascetic is a person who leads an austere life, who leads a lonely life. Our next root word is centrum, which means center. And the word that we can make out of it is egocentric. If you are an egocentric, you think yourself the center of the universe. This is the next stage of egoist, if you can remember. Our next root word is mania. Mania means madness. So, if you are an egomaniac, your desires, your thoughts have become a morbid obsession, which is very dangerous. Our next root word is dexter, which means right hand. So, dexterous means a very skillful person. Ambidextrous means a person who has the ability to use his both hands similarly. Our next root word is droit, which is a French root word, which means right hand. So adroit means also skillful. The synonym for adroit is dexterous. And the last root word for today's class is andros, which means male. And the word that we can make out of andros is polyandrist. A polyandrist is generally a woman who has more than one husband at the same time. So if you want, you can take a screenshot of this page and note down all these words in your exercise book. I hope this class of mine has proved to be a helpful one. Give me a lot of thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of my next classes. Do share my videos with your friends and others. See you all in the next class. Thank you.